So before we get into this, remember that the instructions asked us to write the expression in unit form and draw a model to solve. So we've written it out. Now we need to do what? We need to draw the model. Okay, what size units am I dealing with here? Anybody? Ninths. So how many pieces do I need to split it into? 9. Okay. What am I partitioning? How many ninths? How many ninths am I splitting up? 7. Okay, so I need to show my 7. That represents 7 ninths. Now, how many groups of 3 ninths go into 7 ninths? Well, I can say here's 1, 2, 3 ninths. There's a couple of people talking when I'm talking. I need you to change that. Here's another group of 3. So that's 2 whole groups of 3, but then I've got a problem. I've only got part of this other group. Specifically, I only have 1 piece out of 3. How can I write 1 piece out of 3 as a fraction? What? 1/3. So if I'm trying to answer the question, remember I said the question is, you're always asking yourselves how many groups of your divisor are in your dividend. How many groups of your divisor are in your dividend? Now, what's another way I can do this using math? What's an equivalent expression I can write to 7 ninths divided by 3 ninths? Wake up, people. How can I rewrite this? Okay, so keep, change, flip is the right thing. Now I could use what I know about math to make this multiplication problem a lot easier. I could do what y'all had done correctly and write this as 63/27 because 7 times 9 is 63, 9 times 3 is 27. But let's go ahead and make life easy on ourselves. I have 9 over 9. What is 9 divided by 9? So I know that I can pull this part of the factor out. So I'm left with 7/3. How can I rewrite 7/3? I can write it as 2 1/3. And if you have trouble recalling how to convert from a mix or from a whole number to a mixed, from an improper fraction to a mixed number, I can divide. So let's use the lunchtime example. Okay, so remember the little kids are outside. One little kid is on top of the other little kid. Mama calls for lunch. Who's going to make it in first? The person on top or the person on bottom? Okay, so I write the 7. How many times? How many groups of 3 can I pull out of 7? Okay, 2. So I multiply 2 times 3, and that's 6. 7 minus 6 is? I don't like remainders, but I know that I can rewrite this as a fraction. I can write it as 2 1. That's my remainder over my divisor. 3. 2 1/3. So let's review it. The next time I'm about to give you another problem. What could we do? We can rewrite the division as multiplication. If I have a model, which you guys are going to have a model, you need to show how many groups of the divisor are in the dividend. I have 1, 2, and 1/3 group of the divisor in my dividend.